Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are good and fine. Fifth class, term 1, subject social. Today, now we will continue our topic. Yes, our lesson name is Conquering Distance. Conquering Distance. In previous class, we will explain roadways. Now we will explain roadways, some topic remaining. Roads have helped to make travel fast and smooth. However, increased traffic has also caused pollution. The number of people killed in road accidents every year in increasing. People all over the world have become aware of these problems. There are strict rules for safe driving and pollution control now. Now see here, in roadways, traffic will be smooth, sometimes very fast. That time accident will be incident, so many accidents will be here in roads. So many number of people will be killed in road accidents in every year increasing. People all over the world, these problems will be continue now also. So the government will be strict rule give to us. There are strict rules for safe driving and pollution control now. We can use driving time helmet. Now railway. Most countries in the world have railway networks. The British introduced railways in India in the mid 19th century. Today India has the second largest railway network in Asia and the fourth largest in the world. In railway, most countries have railway network. Yes, we will have railway networks to fast going one place to another place. अब अपने कंट्री में रेलवेज बहुत अच्छे नेटवर्क्स है, वन प्लेस से वन प्लेस को जल्दी रीच होने के लिए. द ब्रिटिश इंट्रोड्यूस्ड रेलवेज इन इंडिया. अपन के इंडिया में कौन इंट्रोड्यूस करे रेलवे? ब्रिटिश इंट्रोड्यूस्ड रेलवे इन 19th सेंचुरी में अपने को रेलवे इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ. टुडे इंडिया हैज़ द सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट रेलवे नेटवर्क. टुडे इंडिया इज द लार्जेस्ट railway network. India is the second largest railway network Asia and the fourth largest in the world. India is the second largest railway network and Asia is the fourth largest network in the world. Countries such as Japan, France and Germany have designed some of the fastest trains in the world. The maglev trains of China and the bullet trains of Japan can run at a speed of more than 200 kilometers per hour. See, in countries, some other countries like Japan, France and Germany designed some of the fastest trains of the world. तो अदर कंट्रीज में फास्टेस्ट ट्रेन इससे भी द मैगलीव ट्रेन्स ऑफ चाइना एंड द बुलेट ट्रेन्स इन चाइना इंट्रोड्यूस्ड. बुलेट ट्रेन्स मीन्स सो फास्ट विल बी गो. इन जापान can run at a speed of more than 200 kilometers per hour. 1 hour में 200 kilometers जाती बुलेट ट्रेन. The longest railway line in the world in the Trans-Siberian Railway connecting Moscow with Vladivostok, a distance of over 9200 kilometers. ये कितना डिस्टेंस है? 92 किलोमीटर डिस्टेंस. सो वेरी फास्ट गोइंग नेटवर्क. 200 किलोमीटर्स पर आवर. 200 किलोमीटर्स पर आवर. एक घंटे में 200 किलोमीटर ज़्यादा. विच ट्रेन? बुलेट ट्रेन. बुलेट ट्रेन. Trans-Siberian Railway connecting Moscow. This is very popular Trans-Siberian network in the world. In some countries, special rail networks are built for large cities and their suburbs. Trains in this network run either on elevated tracks that the high above the regular roads or on tracks built underground through tunnels. Such as rail network is known as the metro. In India, Kolkata was the first city to have metro. Other cities such as Delhi, Bangalore, Mumbai, Chennai and Kashi also have metro networks. See, this is India has a large network. In India, like this, we will see like these trains. So, in India, some other countries and this is Shanghai Mangalore train. Okay, this is very fast going 200 kilometers, going only 1 hour. Only 1 hour. The Sabrams train this network elevated the high above the regular roads are on tracks built underground through tunnels. Underground tunnels will be there. Underground metro in such as rail network is also known as metro. Metro train means it is also very fastest train in India. Kolkata was the first city have to metro. Kolkata में first metro introduce करे metro. The other cities such as Delhi, Bangalore, Mumbai, Chennai and Kashi also have metro networks. In our Hyderabad also, in Hyderabad local trains also available. We go fastest to one place to one another place. Yes, this is railways, explanation of railways. You can understand this topic. I hope you can understand. Today's your homework is, yes, your homework is this: metro, where metro located, cities names. Delhi, Bangalore, Mumbai, Chennai and Kashi also have metro networks. You should write these names homework one time. Thank you.